Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to create a looping animation easily. You can create amazing animations using AI and the CapCut app directly on your phone, as you can see here. First, you open your CapCut app on your device, carefully. Now, let's move to the next step. Click Add Video. And here you can add any video you like. Video clip here. Let's take, for example, this video clip right here. You've added it. Now, what do you do next? Let's see. Now, carefully enter your video and tap on it. Then select. Now, as you can see here, select Effects, then Video Effects, and here you can start entering your desired settings. I already have it, as you see. Now, let's explore the animation options available. There are many different animations available, but you can also explore additional options. Let's create AI animations together, as you can see. Well, it's simply AI, as you see. AI animations here. That's all for now. Now, as you can see, CapCut instantly understands that you need those AI animations. Here we have an AI animation that changes hair color, as you can see. Well, actually, let's dive into this topic. Next, you can also type in something like this, as you can see, for better results. An effect that makes it look great. Let me quickly write this down now. Now, let's discuss the animation process in detail, as you can see. All right, we have successfully completed the writing process now. So, as you can see, now you have a lot of really cool options available to explore and enjoy in your project. AI animations here. You can watch it right away. Here's a cool animation, but it's very unique. There are many options. Thank you all for watching this video, as you can see. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye for now.